today's vlog is going to be a little bit different than our normal vlogs. We had a pretty low-key day and getting ready for my mom to come. We're going to do lots with her, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next few videos. But today, we're just going to set the camera up in a few different spots around town, primarily the church and then probably the beach, maybe a park area if we have time. And we're just going to try and give you some of the sights and sounds of Puerto Vallarta. So it'll be less of us talking and more of the city. I think maybe towards the end of the video, we'll talk at you again and have some of our normal stuff. But for the most part, we're just going to try and show the city. Let's go. all we have for the sights and sounds portion of the video. We're sweating.
We've been quiet for 12 whole minutes.
Yeah, it's been a weird evening of no talking, so we got lots to get out. We're gonna go get a cold drink somewhere. We're going into Big Kahuna Cafe. Haven't been here in a while. Big Kahuna is good. It's great. Magnificent, because they have AC. See that? That's magic. They have AC, good coffee, good internet. What else? We just got a mango smoothie. Well, you know how it is. Hold on. What do we got, Hel?
That is mango-tastic. It's pretty good.
We are leaving Big Kahuna. Again, Big Kahuna is a great place to get espresso, Americanos, coffee. Good place. We like going there after the beach, or kind of like today when we just need something nice and cool. Kind of help cool us down a little bit. That mango smoothie was good. I feel like it was just naturally sweet, wasn't it? Didn't feel. I don't know. It was probably chock full of sugar.
Zing!
So thanks for hanging in there with us today. I know today was a little bit different. We've got a very exciting next few days coming up with my mom coming in town. We're gonna do some zip lining. We're gonna take her to all of our favorite sites here in Puerto Vallarta. Maybe
just thinking about it makes us tired.
Yeah, we're trying to plan in a lot for her so she has a lot of fun. So be sure to check out those videos, subscribe to our channel, click the bell.
That way you get notified. Oh,
that was lame. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
So if you haven't seen what we're doing, Greg and I are hosting a fundraiser for Kanika Children's Cancer Center here in Puerto Vallarta. That organization helps people, kids, and families get to their cancer treatments in Guadalajara and back. We're going to row on the rower machine 24 hours straight. We'll put a link below with how you can help. Alright, this is the Concept 2 rower. And this is what we will be doing for 24 hours straight.
I've only been on for 10 seconds, I'm already this sweaty. No, I just did 40 minutes of rowing, trying to get not necessarily in shape, but more just used to movements. I can feel my hands are super slippery, and they're gonna blister up even after just 40 minutes of rowing. What else? Yeah, it's mostly just a lot of sweat, so we're gonna have to figure something out to...
lots of towels.
Yeah, lots of towels. We're gonna have 3 of these going at one time. Well, at least 3. We might get some help for some other gyms. We just need at least one person going at one time. It's kind of the quote-unquote rules. But hopefully we can get 3 people rowing all at the same time. That way we can hit our 205 miles. I'll have to figure out that distance in kilometers.
You're making me tired.
Yeah.
Now we're about to go to CrossFit.
Bonus.
Bye-bye.
Alright, I've been thinking and I thought of the number one travel tip for traveling to Mexico. Don't start watching El Chapo on Netflix before you go to Mexico, or probably even when you live in Mexico. Just not a good idea. When I was watching, I watched, what's the other one? What's the other one on Netflix about Pablo Escobar? What's the name of that show? When I watched that show, it made me a little nervous about Mexico, and that was all in Colombia. But this one, I realize it's a drama, it's a show, but just don't watch that before you come to Mexico. Today is going to be a pretty low-key day for us. My mom comes here tomorrow, so we're doing some cleaning. We are resting up before she comes because we're going to do quite a bit when she's here. We already have a zip lining with Los Verranos Canopy Tours coming up, so we're really excited about that. So we're going to do something really different for us today. We're not going to eat out. Hillary's going to make us dinner. It's should be interesting. Now I know some of you suggested that we make a traditional Mexican dish, and this is definitely not traditional Mexican. I don't know, I'll let you be the judge of what kind of food this is. But first, she's gonna tell us all about these delicious oatmeal bars that she made.
You can call me Martha. Like Martha Stewart.
Okay, Martha. What are these?
The bars are really good.
What are they?
They have a stick of butter. You can call me, what's that other lady's name that always cooks butter?
Oh, yeah.
They have a stick of butter, but I cut the sugar in half with pecans, dried cranberries, oatmeal. It's one of the only things I found to make for like a little, like quick, like granola bar that I can find all the ingredients readily available at the stores here in Mexico. So it's a good snack for me and Greg, but the bad thing is we eat them 2 at a time and there aren't that many.
I haven't even had one, so you eat them 2 at a time.
Oh yeah, sorry. This is a high quality meal.
What do we got here?
Of turkey hot dogs that I'm going to cut and cook in a pan. And we have a couple avocados and a couple moldy tomatoes we're going to slice up.
Those aren't moldy, I just got.
This is going to be a good dinner.
I just got those the other day. They're not moldy.
Oh, they're not moldy, just a little moldy.
What we've got here are some Johnsonville sausages. Salchichas de polvo con queso cheddar. I don't know, how do you say it? I feel like that's just cheddar, just seems like it's in English, right? So these are turkey sausages, which we found at Mega yesterday. I don't know if we gave you a price of that. It's hard to find turkey meat here. So Hillary's really excited to find these. So, oh man, these are
Look how good that looks.
Okay, don't judge us here. This is some super processed, super heartburn giving food.
Date night. You know what's for dessert?
I feel like I need to go to the store and get some of that canned jarred mole sauce and just throw some mole sauce on that, call it Mexican. What do you say?
Yeah, actually sounds kind of good.
To circle back to my El Chapo Netflix reference, we don't feel like Mexico is unsafe or dangerous. We've covered that quite a bit, but if you're new here, just wanted to preface that obviously we live here. We wouldn't live here if we thought it was a dangerous place to live. And if you watched a show, you know, if you watched a crime drama that was based in LA or based in New York, you'd probably have the impression that the whole country or even the whole city was dangerous, even though, you know, living there, you know that it's just a TV show, or even if those events were real, that they're in the past or whatnot. So just wanted to clarify. It's dinner time.
Ta-da!
Got 2 sliced tomatoes, some sliced avocado, and 1 sausage. It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah. Boom.
I've got 3 sausages. Might have to make another one. Although I do have a lot of avocado. This is probably 1.5 really big avocados with some tomato. So we should, I don't know. It's definitely not Cafe d'Olla, but
This is probably our 3rd time ever eating at home, though.
yeah.